I'm gonna teach it to you in 3 parts. Let's take a look at the first part. It's just to scale your motion up F major scale, starting on the 7th. This comes in on the and of 1. So I'm gonna count it off. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the next part from E, we're gonna do ascending thirds. So this is what it sounds like. All right, so let's add those 2 parts together. The scale your motion and then the ascending thirds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the last part, ascending thirds with the B and the A. 1, 2, 3. All right, so let's do the entire thing. Part 1, part 2, and part 3 all together, really slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay tuned for part 2 where we analyze the lick. Please like and share if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.